7 months on the road, 15,000 kilometers, just me and my bike. The road didn't just take me around the Philippines. It changed me and my view on life.
But okay, it is how it is, right?
I set off to remember who I am. Somewhere between the chaos and the calm, I found myself.
Kevin! Wow.
This isn't a perfect film to end the Philippine Loop. This is how it actually felt like.
What the fuck am I doing? Yeah. I wanna cry because I'm so happy. Wow.
I had no idea what I was doing, but I started to trust the road and the process. Okay, amazing. My battery just exploded.
Really? Oh, man!
And most importantly, myself. My ability to overcome challenges and grow with it.
Maybe. Oi. Come on! Okay, I'm done. Patay. Why? Okay. Okay. Fuck, I'm afraid. Wow, that's so scary. Wow, that's so scary.
I try not to fight life, but move with it.
Oh, yep. Everything was for nothing. Welcome to another episode of What the Fuck Is She Doing?
I leave space for detours, for pauses, the unexpected.
Why? Don't stuck in a mud. I stuck.
I follow my intuition, not a strict schedule. I live in the moment and respond with openness, not control.
Should try dog.
And somewhere between all of this, I became someone I trust.
Lift it up, come on. 1, 2, 3. Oh, you can call me. Hike now.
Along the way, I met people who lived completely different lives than me. But they helped me, laughed with me, and welcomed me like I am one of them. It's not a different culture that separates us. It's the distance we create between each other, and out there, that distance disappeared.
Just follow like this office for your safe.
Sometimes the journey was harder than expected. I dropped the bike more than once. I was exhausted, frustrated, and there were moments I just sat there asking myself why I even started this.
Why the fuck am I doing that? I don't know why the fuck I'm doing this. Oh, maybe I thought because it would be fun. But it's not fun. That's not even a street anymore. Okay, man, I have no clue where I'm driving. Ow.
But every time I hit the ground,
Don't! Wait. No. Fuck. Bye.
I had to pick it up again. So I stopped being afraid of falling because I realized I can handle it. Not perfectly, but enough to keep going. The most beautiful encounters cannot be planned. I've learned that the path reveals itself when you're ready to trust. This journey was not fast, not tightly planned, not chasing performance, but seeking truth. Who you are doesn't show when everything is smooth, but when you're alone in the middle of nowhere and you don't have a clue where to sleep tonight. Those are the honest moments. And that keeps showing me I'm not here to be perfect, but to be fully present. I travel alone, but I'm not lonely.
And people ask me if I'm not bored driving alone. Man, I entertain myself better than anybody else.
I chose this path on purpose. As a woman on a motorcycle, taking roads others often avoid. Why? Because I believe real freedom begins where you no longer need to prove anything to anyone. I want to tell stories that give people courage. It's for those who hesitate, for those who are still dreaming but haven't yet taken the first step. And maybe at the end, it's not about how many views my videos got. Maybe it's about how often I was honest, stayed true to myself, and how often I felt the wind and smiled into it. But this isn't the end. It's the end of my first loop, and there is so much more to learn, to see, and to realize. The next road is waiting. I am Lucy. I ride my motorcycle through unknown terrain. I don't ride to arrive somewhere, but I ride to stay close to myself.